Hello. Today we're going to show you how to use the Gravitron Waterfall. Let's start by filling the beaker to the 500 milliliter mark on the side. Next, make sure the water release valve is properly closed before filling the funnel with water. Place the bowl on top of the funnel and fill it with finely ground tobacco. Simply release the valve and light. Watch the magic of the waterfall unfold before your very eyes. Look at that magic. Ooh, magical. Once the funnel is filled with smoke, place the bowl aside and take the funnel out of its ring. Inhale and enjoy. Thank you for visiting airgravitron.com.